This is the technique video to go with Protective Diet's sugar-free, fat-free, plant-based remake of the special edition Girl Scout Thin Mint Cookie Ice Cream. After your cake is cool, score it into small squares. And then we're going to wrap it into an airtight container to place into the freezer until it's frozen solid. Now you can make your ice cream batter and get that chilling in the refrigerator. I like to do both of these the day before I plan on assembling this ice cream recipe. Once your cake bites are frozen and your ice cream is churned, place your cake bites into a bowl or container and break the scored areas apart into the squares or small pieces. You could make your cake bites smaller than I did during this demonstration if you like. Once your ice cream is finished churning, you're going to use the scoop and storage technique. Scoop a scoop of ice cream, and you can see on the left I placed freezer packs underneath my storage container to keep my ice cream from melting. Then we're assembling these Thin Mint cake balls, nice cream cake balls. Can you believe it? On a Protective Diet, sugar-free. We are eating so well. Practicing a Protective Diet is completely sustainable when I have everything I desire. All of those familiar tastes I grew up eating. Girl Scouts, beware. I'm not buying your cookies anymore. I might offer you a donation, but you can keep your sugar-filled, fat-filled cookies. When I have Protective Diet Thin Mint Cookie Nice Cream Cake Balls. Oh my gosh, look at this. Your last scoop will be frozen into the container, and when it melts, you can scoop it out and roll it into the cake bits. And any leftover bits, put them into the Ziploc baggie and back into the freezer to top other nice creams on a Protective Diet. Work quick so they don't melt. Take care and best of health.